Tyler White. Wow. There's a drive left center field and deep, going back at the track, the wall. See ya! Tyler White finally gets a full swing and hits one out of here. For White, his 6th home run of the year, and it has been a while. That adds to the lead now, 2-0 Houston. Tyler White stands in.
Yes.
There's another drive to left field and deep, back at the wall. This one is out of here. Tyler White twice has gone to the first row, and the Astros have caught him at 3. Tyler White breaking out of a rather lengthy slump.